Are you ready for the next evolution in rugged smartwatches? In this video, we're diving deep into the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the most anticipated wearable from Apple in 2025. We'll cover all the latest leaks, confirmed rumors, specs, top 10, new features, and of course, it's the release date and price you've been waiting for. Whether you're upgrading from the Ultra 2 or curious about Apple's future plans, this video has everything you need to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Ultra-wide B-roll of rugged outdoors, fitness activities, or close-ups of previous Apple Watch Ultra models. Apple's flagship rugged smartwatch is getting a big upgrade in 2025. Meet the Apple Watch Ultra 3. What's new? When it's coming, whether it's worth the upgrade. We've scoured the latest leaks and reports from Bloomberg to tech sites like Tom's Guide, Macworld, Wearable to bring you the 10 biggest new features, rumored specs, release timing, and pricing expectations. What is Apple Watch Ultra 3? First Gen Ultra launched September 2022. Second Gen Ultra 2 in September 2023 with S9 chip and sleep apnea support. No Ultra update in 2024 Ultra 2 got. Just a black color option and sleep apnea detection. That means Ultra 3 arriving in late 2025 will be the first full refresh in 2 years. Launch timing and release details, all reports agree September 2025, unveiling at Apple's iPhone 17 event. Likely September 9th, pre-orders September 12th, shipping September 19th. Confirmed delays. Initial 2024 launch postponed to add new health and satellite features. Expected price. Base price expected to remain at $799 USD or equivalent. Same as Ultra 2. Some analysts hint tariffs or supply chain issues could raise price slightly. Specs. Upgraded to S10 or S11 depending on outlet. Bringing faster performance and improved efficiency. Display new LTPO 3 OLED display up to 40%. Brighter viewing angle, possibly nudging to 2.12 size. Design. Slimmer body. Lattice-tim metal back for faster charging and improved cellular performance, while retaining signature titanium casing and rugged form factor. Top 10. Rumored features 1. Real-time blood pressure monitoring detects hypertension trends and alerts not certified medical readings, closing parenthesis 2. Satellite messaging, SMS, for emergency. Texting via Globalstar even without cellular Wi-Fi signals 0.35G. RedCap connectivity, ultra-low power 5G for wearables. Faster data than LTE with minimal battery impact. 4. Next-gen S10 or S11 chip, better performance. Maybe AI assist features for health and context. 5. LTPO 3, old screen smoother animations. Brighter environment, visibility. Better always-on performance. 6. Faster charging and improved antenna via redesigned rear metal back like Series X. Boosting cellular input and faster 0-80%. Times 7. Multi-day battery life, incremental improvements over Ultra 2, possibly. 2-3 days typical usage with power saver modes. 8. Refreshed nitrogen rating and water. Sensors, improved depth diving analytics. Temperature sensors courtesy of Oceanic Integration 9. Expanded Health Suite ECG. Blood oxygen. Upcoming watchOS 12 base sleep and fitness metrics. 10. Rugged external styling maintains same 49mm titanium case. Action button, flat sapphire. Front crystal, less change visually, more under the hood innovation. What didn't make the cut? Reports confirm no built-in camera. Apple shelved its camera in watch efforts. It's likely until 2027 or later. No glucose monitoring, yet still a future goal. Split remains years. Should you wait or upgrade? Or do you have Ultra 2 or Ultra 1? The upgrades, especially blood pressure alerts. 5G and satellite texting make Ultra 3 a compelling jump. For Series 9 or Series 10 owners, switching to Ultra 3 adds rugged build, longer battery, and more outdoors-ready features. If you don't need satellite messaging or advanced health alerts, and you're happy with current performance, it might be worth waiting for Ultra 4 or price drops after Ultra 3 launch. Pricing breakdown in regions starting at around $799 United States dollars, unlikely to climb unless global tariffs rise or parts shortages. International pricing will track currency conversion and local taxes. For example, £799, UK €849 EU PKR, equivalent in Pakistan. So there you have it. Ultra 3 is shaping up to be Apple's most feature-rich rugged watch yet, if the rumors are accurate. From blood pressure alerts to satellite texting, 5G, and battery boosts, it's a strong upgrade. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know. Which rumored feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below.